So we'll go for the fourth sum. From the following information, prepare the purchase book and purchase return. Purchase book, purchase return, they are asking you to prepare. So here in the first one, see, they are given as a purchase and they are bought it for a credit. So this will write it in the purchase, will write. Next, bought nalum purchase nalum one da. So it is as a purchase, they bought it for a credit, we'll write it as a, in the purchase book, we'll write all this. Next, so multiplying this one will less the discount, then we'll add the freight charges. Multiplying from all this, we have to less the trade discount and add the freight charges. Next will come June 21 return damages. They see the Balu where it is coming, see there Balu is coming in the year in the June 1. So that is what he did to purchase. So here they given only the return, that means it's a purchase return. So this will come. So they not given cash, not given. Cash kudukalana enna artham, that means a credit the meaning. Cash not received na credit in the meaning. So this will we will return in the purchase return will write. So this also will write. Next, purchase from Sunrise Furniture credit. This will credit purchases. So we'll write in the purchase book. Next, purchase from Mowgli Traders on credit. So we'll this one purchase will write it in the purchase book. We'll write it as. Next, you can see return three almaras. Return, say what return we have to identify. Almara and Sunrise Furniture, where it is, go and see there. Here in the 24 date, you can see furniture, Sunrise Furniture, it is given. So here means what we did, purchase. So they are given return. So this will consider as a purchase return. So shall we using all this one, we'll write the sum. In the new book, page number 122, question number. So in the new textbook, page number 122, question number 4. Old book, page number 165, question number 7. So in the books of Robert Furniture Mart, we'll write first, we'll go for the purchase book. So in the purchase book, 2017, June 2017, in the date, one date, we can write it as a Balu Traders, it is a heading Balu Traders. From there we are buying as a chairs, rupees 150 rupees. How many chairs we are buying? 20 chairs. So if you multiply 20 into 150, only one item is there. So we'll go and write it in the outside column, 3000. Next, in the June, what is the date? 13, you can see. In the 13, Subhash and Co. There we bought it. First one, how many rupees? Means 3100 rupees. 3100 rupees. We bought it 3 almaras. 3 almara we bought it. So multiply 310. 3100 multiply 3 means how much we'll get? We'll get it as a 6200. Next, what it is there? Tables. So tables. So here you can see 3100 multiply, here 2 will come. 3100 into 2 means we'll get it as 6200 will come. 2 almara only we bought it. Next will come as a tables. Tables, what it is there? Means 1500 into multiply into 10 tables. 1500 rupees into 10 tables. How much will come? We'll get it as a 15,000 will get it. Next, what it is there? Chairs. Chairs, how many chairs means? 15 chairs we bought it for a 200. So 200 into 15. How much will get? We'll get it as a 3000. So if you add all this 3, we'll get it. How much we'll get it means? We'll get it as a 24,200 we are getting. So in the sum, we can see less trade discount they given in the same 13th date only they given. So 13th date they given means this amount only we have to write. They did not give fully, they did not, at the end of the month they did not give, only for a 13th date only gave. So from here only we have to go on less the trade discount. How much they are given as a 10%. So we'll write as a less trade discount is a 10%. So we'll do 24,200 multiply 10 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel means how much we'll get? We'll get it as a 2,420. We have to minus it. So if you do minus means how much we'll get? We'll get it as a 21,780. So in that day, same date only, they are telling you to add the freight charges they given. So add the freight charges they given as a 220. So if you add this means how much we'll get? We'll get it as a 22,000. So next what it is there? We'll go for next day, June 24. We'll have a Sunrise Furniture Mart. From here only we are buying from the Mart. What we are buying means same almara only we are buying. So how many rupees mean? 1,300 into how many almara? 25 almara. If you multiply with this means only one item only in this date is only one transaction is there. So we'll write straightly in the outer column as a 32,500 we'll write. Next in the June 27 you can see the Mowli Traders. You can see Mowli Traders. There you tables, we executed tables we bought it. How many rupees means? We bought it for 3,275 rupees. How many tables we bought it means? 10 tables we bought it. So multiply with this 3,275 into 10. If you multiply means we'll get it as a 32,750. So if you add all this, we'll get it as a 90,250. So from straight to this, we will write as a purchase account data. So we have to close it using a line. We have to close it. That's all. So we have to write it as a purchase return book. Purchase return la we have a purchase in the 21 date and 29 date only. Here in the 21 and 21 and 29 only we can see the purchase return. See purchase return what it is there in the see Balu it is there. Where the Balu will be there? See in the June 1 only we can see the Balu. So they are telling return 2 damages of chair. So how many we are returning? Only 2 damages of chair. அப்போ இங்க போய் பாரு ஒரு chair what is the amount? 150. So this amount 2 into 150 we have to multiply. In the same also here you can see return 3 almara. How many almara we are returning? 3 almara we are returning. From where we are returning? Sunrise Furniture. Sunrise Furniture where it is there? 24 date less Sunrise Furniture you can see. So almara here you can see how much rupees means 1,300. So what we have to write? 1,300. So 3 almara we are returning. So multiply how many rupees we will have to write. So how many items we are returning, that into rupees, how much rupees each one we have to go and multiply. So we'll go and continue with the do the sum. So we'll write the purchase return book 2017 June 21 date. So we'll write as a Balu Traders. How many they are returning? 2 damages. Rupees how much means? 150 into 2 only. So if you multiply with this, we'll get a 300. Only one transaction is there in the 21. Next June 29 we can see means Sunrises Furniture Mart. What is there? How many almara we are retaining? 3 almara. Each almara is 1,300. 1,300 into 3 means how much we are getting? We are getting 3,900. So if you add it both means how much we'll get? We'll get it as a 4,200 we are getting. So for this how we'll write? Purchase return account creditors we write. That's all. We can see here. We can see here purchases of usually they are telling you to prepare the ledger. They are telling before and all we did not do the ledger. Now from this summer they are telling you to prepare the ledger of a ledger. What are the ledger we have to purchase ledger we have to do the purchase ledger, purchase return ledger we have to do, and the name who and all the name is there. Balu one trader, Balu one எழுதணும். Next Subhash ஒருத்தர் எழுதணும். Next what is Sunrise Furniture Mart ஒன்று எழுதணும். Next Mauli and எழுதணும். Okay va? What will be there? Balu is there, Subhash is there. See Balu, Subhash. Next Sunrise Furniture இருக்காங்க. Next யார் இருக்காங்க? இந்த Mauli இருக்காங்க. Okay. So this both will come as a purchase return la podum. இப்போ usually நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம் transaction journal entry or what you'll write purchase account debtor to means we'll write the credit means we usually will write as a name whatever name there. Here coming what are the names means Balu, Subhash எல்லாருக்குமே ஒரு transaction date போட்டு வரும். அப்போ இங்க purchase always come in the debit side. இப்போ இந்த பாலுவோட ledgerல போய் if I want to write னா அப்ப பாலுக்கு எழுதணும்னா என்ன வரும்? பாலு which side will be? பாலு will be in the credit side. அப்போ credit side போட்டு போய் நம்ம purchase account எழுதணும். So we'll do now. So we'll go for a Subhash and Co. Subhash and Co. So purchase we are writing means how the journal entry will come. Purchase account debtor to Subhash. How the journal entry will come? Purchase account debtor to Subhash. Sample I'm telling. So no you can write in a rough. So this purchase where will come? It is the debit side. Subhash where it is coming as a credit side. So go to the credit side. You know the how to prepare ledger. No, this is debit side, credit side. Go to the credit side and write it as a 2017 June 13. You write it as a by. See the debit side. We are writing a Subhash. Subhash name inga varakudadu. Subhash enga irukkaru? Credit side irukkaru. So by what you'll write purchase account ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சுபாஷோட amount how much is there you can go and see the purchase ledgerல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 22,000 இருக்கு. So that will write it as a 22,000. See here Subhash Subhash and Co at this date la how much we are getting? 22,000. So that amount only we are writing in the ledger. So next this is a ledger over. So we can as usual you can write like this. Next we'll go for the sunrises. We can so next what it is there we'll write it as a Sunrise Furniture Mart. This also what it is there the Furniture Mart account. So what it is there Sunrise Furniture Mart. You can see here what is the amount. You can see the amount is the 32,500. You can see 32,500. You can see here you can see 32,500 you can see Sunrise Furniture Mart. So this is also purchase only. So here come to the credit side. What is the date? We can write it as a date as a 2017 June 29 date. We'll write it as a by purchase account 32,500. So here same thing here you can see in the Sunrise Furniture Mart la purchase return irukku. So we have to write fundraise. So purchase return is a 3,900. Purchase will come in the debit side. Now purchase return will come in the credit side. So come to the credit side. Go and write in the credit side what you will write June 29 2017 June 29. What you will write? You will write as a to purchase return account because Sunrise will come in the credit side. So we'll write the to purchase return will come in the credit side and the Sunrise will come in the debit side. So what you will write it as a how much the amount is a 3,900. So next we'll go for the Mauli Traders. Mauli Traders, you can see Mauli Traders how much it is coming as a 32,750. So that amount we have to write it. So Mauli Traders la go to the credit side. We'll write 2017 June 27 we'll write as a by purchase account, we'll write as a 32,750. So purchase return will come in the credit side. Same way, next we'll go for the next account. What we can prepare, we can prepare it for the Balu traders. We can go Balu traders, because Balu traders have a purchase return. So Balu traders la again we can go Balu traders, go and see here how much it is coming. Balu traders number 1, you can see 3,000 it is coming. So by what we will write, by what is the date, 2017 June 1. So by purchase account, how much the amount is 3,000. Next same the Balu will have a purchase return la Balu have a 2017 June 21 la purchase return is there. So purchase will come in the debit side na, purchase return credit side ah irukum. இப்போ purchase return credit side எடுத்தீங்கன்னா Balu எங்க இருப்பாரு, debit la da இருப்பார். So we'll go to the debit side. So we'll go to the debit side. In the 2017 we'll write and write it as a June 21. We'll write it as a to purchase return account. What is the amount means 300. So that's all for the Balu traders. One more what it is there, one more it is there, we'll have a purchase account is there. Purchase account. Purchase account means it will come in the debit side. Purchase will come in the debit side only. So we can see here purchase of how many members are there. The total amount only we have to write. Not each date we cannot write. So all these members are creditors. So we have to write it as a two sundry creditors we can write. So in the purchase account, come to the debit side and write it as a 2017 last month date June 30 will write, and write it as a two sundry creditors account. What is the amount, total amount for a purchase account means purchase booklet total amount 90,250. That one will write. Next what it is there, purchase return is there. Purchase return account is there. See here in the purchase return how much the amount is there, 42,200. So same thing we have to 4,200 sorry 4,200 is there in the purchase return account la. So for this also we have to create as a purchase return account. So purchase return will come in the credit side. So come to the credit side, you will write it as a 2017 June 30. You write as a by sundry creditors. What is the amount? 4,200. So that's all the ledger over.